AI system was able to pinpoint areas where delays were occurring. This allowed the factory to address these issues proactively, leading to a significant reduction in downtime. The overall efficiency of the factory also saw a marked improvement. With AI handling the heavy lifting of data analysis and bottleneck identification, the factory staff was free to focus on other important tasks. This led to an increase in productivity, and the factory was able to meet its production targets more consistently. And the benefits didn't stop there. With the help of AI, the factory was able to predict maintenance needs, leading to fewer equipment failures and further reducing downtime. Additionally, the improved data flow and efficiency led to a reduction in waste, contributing to the factory's sustainability efforts. As seen in this case, AI's role in smart factories extends far beyond automation. It's about making every process more intelligent and efficient. By leveraging AI, factories can transform their operations, delivering higher quality products faster and with less waste. This is the power of AI in the world of smart factories. So, what does the future hold for smart factories and AI? The future holds promise, potential, and transformation. The manufacturing industry, as we know it, is poised for a paradigm shift. Think of a world where smart factories aren't just automated, but intelligently automated, where machines aren't just following preset instructions, but learning, adapting, and optimizing processes on their own. Artificial intelligence will be the driving force behind this revolution. It will integrate data flow, making factories more efficient, cost-effective, and responsive to changes. It will enable real-time decision-making, predictive maintenance, and even self-correction. The potential of AI in transforming the manufacturing industry is immense. It's not just about replacing human labor, but augmenting it, making it more productive and precise. The future of smart factories is not just about automation, it's about intelligent automation driven by AI. The revolution has begun, and it's time to embrace the change.